Hey everyone, Outdoors and Botanical here, and today I'm going to be showing you a recipe for making pesto from wild leeks, so stay tuned. Head outside and find a nice large patch of wild leeks. Make sure to identify them properly. If you haven't watched my video on that, I recommend you check that out first. The link is in the description. Only harvest the top leaf portion for this recipe. It is always a good idea to do this so the leeks come back year after year. You'll want about a half to 1 cup of leaves. Now that we have our leeks, let's make the pesto sauce. Start by adding 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese into a small blender. Now, add 1/3 cup of olive oil into the blender. Next, let's add 1 to 2 teaspoons of garlic into the blender. It is now time to add the leeks. Break them up and add about half to 1 cup of leeks to the blender. Now blend until the desired consistency and add salt and pepper to taste. This pesto sauce tastes great on pasta, but can be used on whatever you want. Now that you have made your sauce, you can freeze it, or refrigerate it, or use it right away. I hope you all enjoyed this very simple leek pesto recipe. If you try it, let me know in the comments below what you think. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell button to get notified of future videos. As always, stay outdoors, be botanical, keep your hobbies, and I'll see you in the next video.